So good morning. This is lecture 16 on cooperation, and let's take a look at my PowerPoint. If I can get to my PowerPoint slide. Okay, so this lecture is about cooperation. We're going to talk about what is cooperation and how does cooperation evolve. And there are several different mechanisms by which it evolves. So we'll take a look at all of those. Some more so than others. Okay, so first of all, if we're thinking about cooperation, what does it mean? Well, it's pretty easy to define, right? When two or more interacting individuals benefit from their interactions, or maybe at least have potential benefits from their interactions. I think cooperation means that both individuals are going to benefit. There might be some cost to cooperating, but both individuals have the potential to benefit from this interaction. And we see lots and lots of cooperative behaviors, of course, in the animal kingdom. Here are some fun ones. Birthing is kind of interesting. In Rodrigues fruit bats and in bottlenose dolphins, there are individuals who help others in the birthing process. You can call them doulas if you wish. There's a nice video here of a dolphin helping another dolphin give birth. It's pretty cool. Cooperating with giving birth by helping with birthing. Social grooming, allo grooming, grooming each other. And there's a picture there of some apes grooming each other. And this is common in primates, right? It benefits each other. Both individuals can benefit from this. One, it removes parasites, so there's a physical benefit. It also reduces stress, and it reduces stress in both individuals, the groomer and the groomee, if you will. It increases endorphins, increases opioids. It also helps to reduce aggression within a group. And so cooperation, in this case, can be beneficial. This behavior can be beneficial. And here's another one, anti-predator behaviors. Animals cooperate, many animals cooperate in anti-predator behavior. So if you look at fish, for example, they will often form shoals. And shoals are just groups of fishes. Schools are more specific. And sometimes schools are a subset of this bigger group called shoals. But what do the shoals do? Well, one of the major functions of a shoal is anti-predator behavior. So the animals are cooperating by getting in a group, okay? And being in a group benefits everyone in the group for a lot of reasons. One, there are more eyes to see a potential predator coming. Two, there are more individuals for a predator to prey upon, so you might be lucky and not be caught when your neighbor is caught. Three, there's a confusion effect with so many individuals swimming around near each other. A predator will have a hard time honing in on a single individual and may not be able to capture any. And so clearly that's an anti-predator tactic to get together in big groups. That happens in a lot of different animals. Fish are one obvious example, but other animals make predator inspections together. So this happens in fish too. If there's a predator nearby, one fish might go up to it and inspect it, kind of check it out. Is it really scary? Is it hungry? Is it going to attack us or not? It's clearly at some risk to itself, but if there's a mutual kind of a reciprocity in that, I'll inspect now, you inspect later, then we can kind of get a better feeling for what's happening with this predator, and we can both benefit. This is true of mammals and birds will often make alarm calls. Hey, there's a predator coming, and that alerts a population of individuals. How do they benefit? Well, they benefit because they're more prepared for that predator coming, right? Coalitions are also found in mammals like primates and wolves and hyenas and dolphins and whales, in which individuals get together in groups and attempt to essentially be able to remove another individual from power or get some sort of power in the community. So cooperation is a situation in which two or more individuals are interacting and they're all benefiting in some way, or they have the potential to benefit. How does cooperation evolve? Why do animals cooperate? Might be another way to, why do they help each other, right? So there are 4 different pathways for the evolution of cooperation. We're going to take a look at each of these. We'll spend less time on group selection. But byproduct mutualism, reciprocity, we're going to spend time on both of those. Group selection and kin selection can all lead to the evolution of cooperative behavior in animals. So let's take a look at these 4 topics, and we'll do that in our next video.